So my name is Fabricio and I live here in the Seattle area. That's my gym. I decided to buy this Bristhol shed because I had like a home gym and that was in my garage. And I do have a very nice view here on my backyard and I wanted a place to put that gym, move it out of the garage. By the way, one day there was a bear right in there. It was huge and I was in the gym. So I watched him and I opened the door, kind of got a little close and then he stopped, looked at me and I went back. But I was looking for something that was more like high quality, higher standards, and then I found SolidBuild. I found it online and I like the look and how it puts together, so I decided to buy it. It was not expensive comparing to other sheds, and the cool thing is that I emailed you guys and I think there was a shipment coming to this area like in the following week, so it was like the motivation I needed just to get it started. So I ordered, it arrived, it was raining like it is today, had to unpack and everything, got a friend to help me unload everything, and then by the time it arrived I already had the foundation done, so it was just a matter of putting together. Putting together the shed took maybe like 2 days, including the ceiling. Then I painted, I put roofing on it, I built the electrical, so that took way more time. But putting the shed together itself was like playing Legos, was super simple, super easy. I think overall the construction was easier than I thought. I also, I like the wood, I like the smell of the wood, and because here it rains a lot, I kind of, I took the time to properly seal between the walls and the base so it doesn't get water underneath. Yeah, no leaks at all. It's holding super well. I don't see any mark of anything. But yeah, other than some minor adjustments with the seasons, like the woods contracting and expanding, other than that, nothing. Yeah, no complaints. It's holding very well. And by the way, because it has like heavy equipment inside, I put additional foundation so it's not on top of the flooring that comes with. There are some reinforcements underneath. On the electrical, I have a secondary panel. I thought about it putting and bringing electricity here, especially because like sometimes I use it at night. So I just like study it, the code and everything, and open a permit with the county and did all the installation. So there is like wiring underneath. It comes here, and then from here it's feeding one heater and light. It's just one circuit. When it's winter, it's really cold, we come here, I turn the heater on, and sometimes I wait like maybe 20 minutes. And in the summer, when it's super hot, then I just open all the windows and doors, and it's cool. Yeah, it's always fun to learn, the coding and everything, having it inspected and passed all the inspections, and yeah, it's good exercise. So it's a fun project.